Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these exponential equations where we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of minus x equals 4. So here is the method we are going to apply. Suppose I multiply this equation by 2 to the power of x. So here we have 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of minus x equals 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of x. So after applying this, from the rule of exponent, we have this one as 2 to the power of 2x. When we add x plus x plus, so this one negates each other. So as 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power minus x, that gives us 1. Everything equals 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of x. And then suppose we write this as 2 to the power of x all raised to the power of 2 plus 1. Then let's try to take the whole of this here. It becomes minus 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of x equals 0. So we have 2 to the power of x, which is common. We are going to let 2 to the power of x equals b. Then we replace it as we have b squared plus 1 minus 4 multiplied by b equals 0. So and then we have b squared minus 4b plus 1 equals 0. Here is a quadratic equation. So what I'm going to do here is, to solve this one, we are going to add and subtract 4 from this, as we have b squared minus 4b plus 4 minus 4 plus 1 equals 0. So what I did here is I divide this one by 2, which we get 2. Then I square that 2, which is 4. Then add it and subtract it from this point. Alright, then let's try to combine the first 3 together, and then we also add this. So when we try to combine this, we want to write this as exponent form. So we have this as b squared minus 4b plus 2 squared. This is what we get for this. Then minus 4 plus 3, minus 4 plus 1, that gives us minus 3. Then everything equals 0. So when we try to combine this, so we have to combine the base of this together, as it comes with negative. So b minus 2 raised to power 2, it gives us all this. You can pause this point and expand this one, we get this. Then everything equals 3 when we transfer it to other side. Then let's try to take the square root of both sides, so that we have this square cancelled. And when we introduce square root to this side, it becomes plus or minus, then root 3. So this cancelled. Here we have b minus 2 equals plus or minus root 3. Then we take b to other side, 2 to the other side, and we get the value of b, which is 2 plus or minus root 3. So if this is the value of b, as b equals to 2 plus root 3 and b equals 2 minus root 3, then we have to recall where we let 2 to the power of x equals b. And let's try to consider the positive part of this. So we have 2 to the power of x equals 2 plus root 3. And to get the value of x, we introduce logarithm to both sides. Suppose we have log 2 to the power of x equals log 2 plus root 3 at this stage. Then by the rule of logarithm, so here we have x, which comes down. And when x comes down, we have x log 2 equals log 2 plus root 3. Then by dividing both sides by log 2, so we divide both sides by log 2 at the two sides. So this cancelled, as we have x equals log of 2 plus root 3. And anytime we have a log like this, so we can also write this as log of 2 plus 3 base 2. And here is the one solution to this. And also when we consider the other part, which is the negative, so what we get as well is x equals the log of 2 minus root 3 base 2. So this is what we get for this. And I'm telling you that these two equations, they satisfied it. And how are we going to know that they satisfy? So I'm going to test for only one, and we'll try the other one by ourselves. So if you consider from the given equations, which is 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of minus x equals 4. So when we try to substitute this one, let's say we substitute this one at this point. So instead of x, we replace it with 2 to the power of, so our x now is log 2 plus root 3 base 2 plus, also with this one, we are going to write this one as, we have 2 to the power of minus x, so we can rewrite this as 1 divided by 2 to the power of, so instead of x, we write it as log 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. I want to check if this one is equals 4. Alright, so now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to apply this rule of logarithm that says that suppose we have a raised to power of log b base a. So this is the same thing as b. When this base and the base of logarithm are the same, so we choose only this b, which is this. Then from what we have here, we have 2 to the power of log 2 plus root 3 base 2. It means that we are going to take only 2 plus root 3. And similarly with this one, we take only 2 plus root 3. So by applying it, we have 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 plus root 3. So we want to verify if this equals 4. Alright. So by trying to divide this one by 1 and we find the LCM. So when we multiply this together, we have 2 plus root 3 open bracket 2 plus root 3 then plus 1 divided by 2 plus root 3. So the expansion of this one above, it gives us 4 plus 4 root 3. Okay, and we have this as plus 3 then plus 1 here divided by 2 plus root 3. So this plus this plus this, that gives us 8 plus 4 root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. And here we've tried to factor out 4 from here. When we factor out 4, so here we are left with 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. And 2 plus root 3 cancelled. It means that the solution is 4. That is, the left hand side equals the right hand side. As we can also check for the other part, which is log 2 minus root 3 base 2, is still going to be equal. So we can check that and drop the answer in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.